Hi, ladies and gentlemen. When I make a phone call to someone, I always assume that that call was completed. And the reason I do that is because I know 99.99% of the time, I either have done one of two things. I've either left a message or have spoken to the person. So, on that concept, I'm going to go up and go to Tools. I'm going to go down to Preferences. And I'm going to go through some of the settings where I'm going to make a decision that every time a call is recorded by me in history, I don't want to have to always change it to call completed. So I'm going to set the default to be call completed. And I'm going to click Apply. Now, the reason I did that is because I just want to make data entry simple. So next time I go to record a call by clicking on history, by default, it always is assuming the call was completed. That's a preference setting. I recommend it. That's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.